Take off your blindfolds. I just trapped this ex-boyfriend and his ex-girlfriend in the middle of the wilderness. If they spend the next 30 days here, I will give them $250,000.
I hate you.
Grant and Ashley were in a relationship until he cheated on her on national television.
You are my least favorite person.
I ain't been the best.
Welcome to the camp.
Oh no. Oh no, I know him.
I told a little bit of a lie. It's not just you and your ex-girlfriend. It's you and your 5 ex-girlfriends. Come on, let's go meet the exes.
Hi. Nice to meet you guys.
It's awkward.
Whoever's left, at the end of 30 days, we'll split that $250,000.
We should probably start collecting some wood. Nice to see you guys.
All right, have fun getting the firewood.
Now that I'm out here, I'm gonna just pretend I'm out here alone.
Does anyone have anything nice to say about Grant?
He did like write me a song.
He sang me a song too.
He wrote me a song and then played it for another girl.
I'm just gonna focus on surviving as best I can out here.
While he's building the fire by himself, all his exes are gossiping about him.
He does put on a good show. Like, he pretends to be perfect.
Guys, how many bad stories do we have?
And the gossip continued for hours, even into the night.
It's like mortifying to like even be associated with him.
This is why I'm single. Women are scary.
I don't think that's why you're single.
Jimmy, this is every man's worst nightmare.
And it was about to get even worse.
Hi.
Hey.
So what do you guys want to do today?
Nothing with you.
Ashley, we haven't even talked. Why are you so mad?
Like, I'm not angry because like this didn't work out.
How about get to know me again?
I don't want to.
And I didn't know it, but this would become the most intense revenge story I've ever seen.
I'm out for revenge. There was never a point where it was going to be his money.
Her plan this whole time was to punish me?
He is trying to manipulate me and make himself feel better.
This is your last chance, Ashley. I'm not joking.
You were the most disgusting man.
Grant, I love you.
They've lost their minds.
How was the first night, everybody?
We're having a great time.
Yeah.
Good.
It's fun.
To celebrate 24 hours in the woods, I have a secret for each side.
I'm scared.
Come with me, Grant.
Every 5 days, you're gonna have the ability to send one of them home until there's just one left.
What I'm about to tell you, he has no idea. The secret for the 5 of you is whatever exes are left at the end can just choose to steal the money from Grant, sending him home with nothing.
I love this. This is karma.
On the morning of day 3, Grant got up extra early and immediately got to work building a shelter. And as you can imagine, the girls weren't too pleased.
It's like 6 a.m. You shut up.
Grant, you have a tent, you don't need to build a house. Like, this is so crazy.
Girl said I don't need to build a house because I have a tent. But I say, we're out here for a month. It's about to get cold.
I never saw the appeal to camping, and I can honestly say I still don't.
I don't know how long I will last because everyone here works out for fun and I take naps for fun.
Jimmy has kind of set this up where I'm having to live in the mess that I've made. Most people don't get to have all their mistakes in one place for 30 days.
Good morning. It's day 5. That means MrBeast is coming today.
It is elimination day, and I have to choose who I am sending home.
Come on over!
No, I'm scared. There's hearts. Stop.
Grant, you're on this side, you know, where the hammer is.
Oh, wow.
He's gonna hammer our hearts. He's already done that in real life.
You always got something up your sleeve.
This one's a fun one.
Oh, it's fun.
Every 5 days, Grant is gonna have to send one of you home until just one of you remain. And if that person and Grant are still here on day 30, you will both split the $250,000 back at camp.
All the ones who go home don't get anything, I assume.
No.
Wow. What? Wow. That was not expected.
So you could be here for 20 days.
And get nothing. Wow, Grant, you're lucky. You're guaranteed money.
Being rewarded for being a cheater, isn't that nice?
Excellent choice of words.
Interesting choice of words before the heart smash.
Yeah, I would be a little nicer to him. Maybe say like very handsome or very...
So handsome.
Yeah.
So that was Grant's secret. Do you know what their secret is yet? Did any of you tell them?
I don't know what their secret is. You gave me a pretty heavy weight. All these girls want something out of this, and now I have to take it away, and it's not an easy decision to make.
Okay, ladies, the floor is yours.
Yeah, we've made it this far, so I don't think any of us want to give up.
I'm not here to beg to stay. I think we all are here for a reason.
Well, it's been enough time. Whenever you're ready, Grant, pick up that hammer and choose which of these 5 hearts you're going to break. The Grim Reaper.
Oh my God.
It's mine. It's mine. He's standing in front. Oh, whoa.
Whoa. So Grant, tell us, why did you choose to eliminate Amy?
I was back and forth until you made that statement.
Being rewarded for being a cheater, isn't that nice?
We could talk another time.
That was the deciding factor? Because I made a comment? I wish I never came here.
Out of all of Grant's exes, he and Ashley had the longest and most serious relationship.
I was convincing myself this was the person I wanted to marry one day.
Grant and Ashley had their moment where he publicly humiliated her.
Plus, Grant still had no idea that the girls could use their secret to steal all the money from him at the end.
He fully thinks he's getting half of that money. I think he forgot about the secret.
So me, Alyssa, Julie, and Ashley just came up with a plan to steal all of Grant's money for ourselves. He fully thinks this is a show about himself and him building a house. He lacks self-awareness.
We really want Ashley to get her revenge.
The goal is to have me at the end and to be able to steal the money from him.
And the first part of their plan was to make Grant feel bad for Ashley.
Now is my time to shine as an actress. I want to pretend like I'm crying right now.
That's a good idea.
Hey, Ashley. Can you and I talk real quick?
I need a minute.
All right, come out and talk to me when you're ready, okay?
I have eye drops. Project manipulation is the next step.
I know you resent me from everything that I've done.
It's just like not easy to know you've moved on.
Thank you for telling me that.
And while the other girls were enjoying watching Ashley's performance, something else was going on with Alyssa, who's been pretty quiet up until this point.
This is a lot harder than what it looks like. It is absolutely freezing out here. I haven't showered in days, and I haven't had a proper meal. Hey, Grant, take time to talk.
Yeah, of course. What up?
I came to this challenge thinking that my mental side would get better, but it's not. I've decided that I'm going to leave tonight.
Tonight?
It's so cold.
And dirty and bugged.
And I can't shower.
I bug.
And after Alyssa left, Grant started putting a little more effort into the girls' experience.
Welcome to Princess Land in the Woods. They're waking up to coffee.
I don't want creamer.
I'm gonna make them breakfast. No.
Grant is saying he's gonna give us the princess treatment.
Would you guys be cool if I cleaned all the pots? Maybe I could build something else for us.
You know what'd be fun? A swing that you actually can swing back and forth. I would love that.
Okay. Let me get creative. I can figure it out.
Thank you.
All right, the girls want me to build a swing set, so that's what I'm gonna do.
Just like I had hoped, being out here in the wilderness and working on projects together like the swing set and Grant shelter seemed like it was actually starting to bring these people together.
Visualize the $250,000 that we're going to take from this man.
Or maybe I was just being a little optimistic. But regardless, it was now day 10, which meant it was time for a check-in. And since Alyssa had left early, I sent our contestants something they weren't expecting.
Hey,
Welcome, everybody. Talk to me about the last 5 days of the wilderness.
It's been a lot of work. Built them a swing set, and we lost one. There's only 3 girls now.
Oh,
I'll just give it to this.
Alyssa!
well, unfortunately for you, Grant, you still have a hard decision to make tonight. You've got to choose only one of these girls to join you in a luxury cabin that comes with a masseuse, shower, hot tub, all the bells and whistles.
Oh, I'm good.
I'll go without. I think Ashley and Grant have a lot to work out. It could be good for bonding. Like,
Sure.
At the end of the day, it is your decision.
Ashley, let's do it.
Yay! Thank you guys so much.
It seems like you guys had no interest whatsoever in this cabin.
It's playing out exactly how we were wanting it to.
Wow.
Once they got in the cabin, it seemed like Grant and Ashley were actually mending their relationship.
This was like a treat. Like, I guess it's gonna feel good to like know that we don't have bad blood anymore.
That is, until this happened.
Heck yeah.
Does anyone have anything nice to say about Grant?
He did like write me a song.
He wrote me a song and then played it for another girl.
It's been a long time.
Hearing the song that Grant played for another girl seemed to put Ashley in a sour mood. And when the cabin day was over, she brought that energy back to camp.
I don't want to feel the way I feel about you right now.
Inviting you to the cabin was pointless. Do you care about making actual amends, or are you just like going through the motions?
If I was just going through the motions, I would have left by now.
I just felt like it was pointless.
The girls had noticed Grant and Ashley still weren't getting along. But if Ashley was going to get to the end, they would have to find a way to convince Grant to eliminate one of them next. And so they came up with an idea. If Julie and Abby were mean to Grant, it might just make him want to keep Ashley until the end.
Grant,
Yeah.
I came out here earlier, super kind to you, said good morning. You said absolutely nothing to me, met me with not kindness.
Do you realize how you're gonna look?
Julie, I have nothing to prove to you or anyone else.
You single-handedly destroyed this entire situation.
Oh,
You were
I
set up
destroyed
with
it.
success to go to the end and win that money, and you have literally...
I will be here at the end.
I know, that's
It is
what I'm
my
saying.
decision who I take with me and who
what I'm
makes my
saying.
life easiest. And right now, none of you make it easy.
You were the most disgusting man.
Go back in your tent. We don't have to talk. Forget about it.
I feel bad for your family.